With the Maharashtra Assembly polls just around the corner, residents of Mohammadwadi and Undri in Pune, parts of which are in the Hadapsar constituency and partially in the Purandar constituency, have drafted their own charter of demands to highlight long standing civic issues and draw the attention of candidates contesting from their areas.
There are many issues like there is no proper roads, they are all private. There's no water, there's no sewage line, there's no continuous power supply. There are no grounds or open spaces where children and elderly can go. And for this, we have been following up with all types of people, authorities, including PMC and the lawmakers, MLAs, MPs, etc.
The manifesto is essentially talking about all the basic issues that we are facing here in Undri and Mohammadwadi area. And development plan is one of the key things that we have been talking about. Without a development plan, really nothing moves forward, and that is a key ask from our side, that what is the development plan we have for Mohammadwadi and Undri areas. Water, electricity, roads, infrastructure, gardens, there are so many of those things that have been listed in our manifesto.
Worst part is because we stay on the hilltop, we have to face the lack of lot of infrastructures which ideally the builder should have given, but the promises were not fulfilled, and now we are in a fixo because even the basic amenity like road is not well prepared, and there are new construction sites which are coming up. They get the approvals, builders they promise the residents with different amenities, but none of them have been fulfilled till now.
The residents have presented their charter of demands to candidates from the NCP Ajit Pawar and Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde factions, urging them to prioritize the issues they have highlighted. The daughter of the Shiv Sena candidate accepted the citizens' manifesto and agreed to address the issues related to water supply.
The main issue I am addressing today, or people are asking me about, is the water issue. If you might be knowing, Fursungi and Urli, Bapu has developed a separate water scheme for that area. So the remaining part, that is 9 villages and plus Ambegao, the same issue is still there. There is no water supply. So that for that we are proposing that Ambegao we have Jambulwadi Talao. So today the problem is we can sanction money for the water scheme, but the real problem is the source of water, from where the water is going to come, that we will supply over here.
According to NCP candidate and former IAS officer Sambhaji Jhende, the long-standing issues are a result of rapid urbanization and population pressure on the city.
The carrying capacity of the city, may it be water, may it be drainage, may it be transport, may it be vehicular population, it has gone to its peak. That is why all these problems. Plus another problem is a development plan. Development plan has not been implemented. It is prepared for the original city of Pune, but for the extended city means the villages which have been added later on, that plan has not been prepared, and that there is no question of implementation also. Once the DP is prepared and it is implemented and the roads are done as per the DP, then only these problems will be solved.
Residents who had put up no water, no vote signs outside their societies considered boycotting the polls, but decided to give candidates a chance to address their concerns by presenting them with the manifesto. The Maharashtra Assembly polls will be held on November 20th and votes will be counted on November 23rd.